Welcome everyone. Welcome everyone. Happy New Year. Good morning, good evening guys. Happy New Year's out there. How you doing? How's it going? How do you feel today, chat? Yeah, the formal link is correct. Use that one today. Use that one, guys. We're not gonna switch the link if that's the one we posted earlier. It's fine. Use that one. 206 instead of 2026, guys. You just got 1,800 years younger. You just got 1,800 years younger. So keep celebrating, guys. How's it going? How do you feel today? How's it going out here in the markets? What's happening? Let me just turn on a few things. And how did you enjoy it? We had a lovely time out there. Look at that. I think we're gonna get defined by the champions today. Make sure to like the video. Great, guys. Make sure to like the video and we pick the numbers. Share the presentation, share the live stream with all your friends. Let's just go ahead and do it. The usual share in all the communities. Come on. First stream of the year. First day that we could actually produce lovely numbers and advance towards the targets. I think we're gonna break the all-time high this year in terms of great revenue, earnings, community members, and all that stuff, guys. I think we're gonna make an all-time high into everything. Just wondering about the markets here. Morning, good evening. Welcome, guys. Thank you so much. Make sure to like it. Let's see where we are. We just got back in the office, buddy. You're gonna receive your account soon once you get verified. Consistency counts. We just got back on office. Did you expect to receive the giveaway account on the 1st of January, right? Don't you? We're gonna make some money in 2026, way more than we expect. So we are gonna flourish like never seen before, guys. Let's have a look into what's happening here. Trading my YRM. Day number 5 here. I'm gonna make the minimum. I'm gonna trade the micros. Looking at the price section, we're speaking about choppiness here, but we have a previous demand transformed into supply sitting on 710. Good morning, welcome guys. And cheers everyone, by the way. Have a lovely day, have a lovely time out there. Speaking about discounts, speaking about the things that are happening, there is an upgrading to the price sections. Yeah, let me fix the microphone. Let's see how is it right now. Is it working fine? Should be much better, I think. Come on, guys, make sure to like the video. $125,000 to be shared today. How is the microphone right now? No. It's not working again. What about right now? What about right now? Still not functioning. Give me a minute. What about right now? Now it works. Now it works. Now it's good. Come on. Yeah, I can see that. Now it's much better. Now it has been adjusted. Let's go, guys. So 673 weekly VWAP there. 638 your daily. 650s 200 EMA on the 5-minute. It's not an easy momentum to trade, guys. I'm testing out a continuation here, a little short. Down into levels below 80. Down into levels below 80 if we get it. Otherwise, if there's going to be a long wick and a significant rejection and we just swept the liquidity here and we go to the other side, I'm going to be happy to cut it off. Right? I'll cut you away. 245 loss right there, stop loss. Right, this is a risky level of a, there you go. We didn't manage to continue after that pretty powerful 5-minute candlestick. Normally, you would press the pedal, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Make sure to like the video and be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Join the Discord if you want to participate in the giveaways. $125,000 in prop firms accounts we're sharing today. $293 stop loss got hit. You see, we do work with stop losses for those of you thinking we're not. That's an interesting spot here. For a slight reversal above 700s. Yep. Two points needed for my target. We're going for a bit of a continuation here. And I do not think that's too much to request. We had the red line supporting the price action. Look at that one. And now we could get rejected by it in terms of the risk for the upside. Dynamic swing and short volume weighted average price is right there. And certainly the markets used it to protect the price action above 700s. We swept some liquidity, but now we're fighting against. Which is certainly something I'd like not to see. I wouldn't like to see that. Let's see what we get. Come on, guys. Stop loss. Not even having time to put a stop loss on break even because we touched the target, eliminated that loss, and made 180 bucks. That's the way to start off, guys. That's the way to start off. Fireworks, celebration time. We got our first target of 2026, 150 bucks needed on this account. Boom. Celebration moments. We're speaking about YRM trading. 10 days of 150 bucks. That's all we need. 10 days of 150 bucks. Their evaluation is right now 65 bucks on a 50k, no activation fee, no payout target once you become funded. And their instant funded is what we're trading is around 540 right now. Let me quickly double check that. Look at the lovely rejection we've got. Obviously the market makers just wanted to touch that target we had. You gotta know when to exit, guys. You gotta know your business, you gotta know when to exit. Right, so it's 69, but with my code it's 64, 65, something like that on the challenge. And then instant funded, the prices have increased. It's 630 on their side. And with my code, let's just quickly verify that. Grambo as a code right there. 540. Yep. 540, guys. No payout target, so you just take the instant funding account, make 10 days of 150 bucks, and you're good to go for the payout. Happy New Year, guys. Good morning, Peter. Great to see you on board, everyone. Great to have you out here on the 2nd of January. Was thinking about not doing the live stream today, but certainly I couldn't resist. We got our first target, 180 bucks here. This is day number 5. We're gonna keep it like that for the rest of the 5 days, and we're gonna take the max payout. Looking for trading the next account here, which I still think for the upside. We're gonna chop between the 688 and the 710, and I'm gonna chop myself into profits on this micros. Good morning, welcome everyone. Thank you guys so much. Make sure to be part of our Discord community and sign up for the giveaway. First target has been hit today, and first target of 2026. We're going to trade our flex accounts, we're going to trade some tap on futures, maybe some Savius today. But we'll have to see. We just double up. We just double up. We just DCA right there around a 96, 95. Give me that 700s again. Two points needed, guys, for me here. There you go. Target has been hit. 179 bucks. That's all we need, guys. 10 days of 150 bucks minimum for the YRM. That's all we need. Happy birthday, Martin, for tomorrow. Hope you have a lovely year out there. 3rd of January. So quickly. So you're just sitting in celebrations. I mean, through all the holidays and just going through the New Year's, then to your birthday, you got 2 weeks of continuous party. That's not bad. That's not bad, Martin. You're a lucky guy, right? You're a lucky guy. Good morning, welcome everyone. Welcome from Colombia. Come on. Non-stop parties, not bad. Excitement and enjoyment. Thank you so much, guys. Oh, your little brother, Theo Barrett. Shout out to your little brother right there. Congratulations and happy birthday today. That's a lovely one. All the best out there. Best wishes, guys. Thank you so much. Let's go. Morning out there. Thank you, guys. Come on. Got 2 targets today. So we're going to chill a little bit. We're just about 20 minutes in the stream. And we got 2 targets. Let me show you the stats we have. Let me select the other account, which has... This is day number 5 today, I guess. No, it's just day number 4 today for this one. But still good, guys. 1,344. That's too much. I made 1,344. And that's too much, man. So I did a mistake, right? 1,344 and 20% consistency. I don't need that. But I cannot escape it. I gotta do 6,720s. We're halfway through. We're 3,072. But why did I make that much? 1,344 and did not realize? I should have kept that one around 700-800s. I've raised the bar unnecessarily high. Yes, I think you can use Volumetrica. I'm not 100% sure. But let me verify that quickly right now in front of you guys. So, you want to see the Savius conditions. Savius is running their $280 promotion for the 300k account. Let me share with you here in the frequently asked questions platforms, and there is basically, look at that, platforms, and then you see Volumetrica. Savius is going to provide licenses for Volsys, Volbook, Volume Book, and Volumetrica trading. By Volumetrica trading. Look at that one. Yes, you can use it. Great. So, I made that much, guys, 1,344. Maybe I should do a little more today. Because we need an extra 3,000 in 6 days. That's like $500 a day. Let me see if I can do a little more today. Because I've raised the bar with that daily high. Pretty bad from my side, to be honest with you. I've heard you guys accumulated tons of accounts for the YRM promotion. Their prices have been updated. 64 with my code 65 on a 50k challenge, no activation fee. And 540 on the instant funded with my code, much better than what they're giving to you. You know, it's easy to reach the payout. When it's easy to reach the payout, and if there's profit between the costs and the payout, it is a perfect combination. Putting the stop loss and break even here. $10 profit on that one. I'm feeling great, guys, as usually. Very enthusiastic for 2026. And Happy about the things we have achieved, at the same time looking forward to a lovely way getting started and ending the weekend. Ending the week, actually, not the weekend. Interesting, guys. 200 bucks with micros. We hit a target. This is going to be another target. But I'm leaving it open because I'm smelling something that could mean... Can we just get above that red line? What do you guys think about? Like the next 5-minute candle. Is it going to be above that red line? Tell me. Yes or no? Tell me, chat. The red line is 698. It separates the waters right there. Tell me more. Yes or no? The next 5-minute candle. This one closes in 2 minutes. Right? So keep that in mind. And everyone, to participate the giveaway, fill up the form and like the video. Come on. I'm not closing this trade here. I'm leaving it open for the next 5-minute candle crossing the red line. I got my break even and I'm nicely sitting back. So we get rejected the next 5-minute to be above that red line. Red line is the anchored swing, dynamic swing anchored volume with an average price. $250. $600 right there for my exit. I need the next 5-minute candle to be above that red line. Dynamic swing. Come on. And another question, guys, for those of you that are friendly with the crypto space on the BTC side. Do we see 130,000 till March or no? Let me ask you that question in a pool. What an ugly... No, not closing out yet. 692 on my break even. I'm fine with that. Let me know what you guys think about. I just made a poll asking you a question. Looks like we got another heavy rejection out there. 130 grand till March in Bitcoin. Today it's 89. Let me know what you guys think about. I'd like to see what's the sentiment. Moving my stop loss here. Right at the wick of the green line. Right at the wick of the green line. 70 bucks secured with that stop loss there. We're trailing. $130 grand till March. We're building so much liquidity here, and then obviously we gotta fly both sides at the US opening. There's gonna be somehow market makers will take both sides. Keep that in mind. So the first move could be the fake one. But we gotta see. Do not blindly trust this. Moving the trailing right above the current wick. Expecting the price action to go for a continuation above the red line we just talked about. We are attacking it once again, guys. Come on. We touched the trailing, but we made money. We're 300 bucks profit here. Ugly rejection came in once again. Look at that one. All that buyback. And we're moving above. Oh my god. Giveaway starts a little bit later after the New York session starts. So once we get the opening at some point, right? You just want to be here, guys, to guess the number. What a way of wiping me out. What a way. Wiping the floor with me. I'm getting angry on this, guys. Getting angry. Questioning and wondering. There's still 2 minutes to go out of this one. If the next candle is still gonna be green. "56% of you consider for the moment we're going to see 130 grand on the BTC side. Till March. The algos are still delivering the numbers. Look at that one, guys. The algos are still there. Not giving up that early. No, no. Cheers, everyone. Have a lovely day. Have a lovely day. Every day. Look at a massive rejection. Ho ho ho. I think this is going lower. Let's see. Was it brought to this level just to pump it back? I'll take the loss if you did that. If you do such dirty, I'll take the loss. Not an issue. Yeah, when I finish trading, we start the giveaways, and that's usually happening after the New York. Look at that 30 move. I'm shorting it here.
Order filled. Order filled.
We're not going to tolerate anything like that. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Come on. Give me that 530s right there. That's my target, 500 bucks. Stop loss and break even. I've DC'd a little more here. Bring it down. You gotta flush that liquidity first.
Order filled.
Come on, hit that target. Beautiful. Target has been hit here. I'm out of this place as well. 687 bucks here for the YRM account. And on the other side, 516. Absolutely amazing. Back-to-back winners. We're not joking, guys. We're not joking. There you go. I still got fireworks from the New Year's time. Thank you so much, guys. Yes. I have a better code. I have a better discount. We're not trading Ticktick Trader. It's not final, guys. So every Scramble coupon code gives you a discount from here. It's 64, 65 right now. They increased the prices from 1st of January. Come on. Targets hit back and forth. We're gonna open up Lucid soon. So, before we move on, guys, make sure to like the video. 191 guys watching, 74 likes. We're not going to do the giveaway if we do not touch much bigger numbers for the likes. We're not going to do the giveaway. Right? We have to hit a milestone. Yep. It's very good, guys. When they run a discount, I got a better discount than they give you. Even for the instant funded or for the challenges. Yes, yes, yes. Savius allows you to trade in Volumetrica. Yes. They got it here, we just talked about. And some of our community members do use it. It's still dropping. 673. Let's just touch that, guys. Let me open up Quantower and trade my Lucid Flex automatically. Exactly, automatically. You're welcome, Maddie. Well, for example, if you use the web-based Volumetrica, you get to your dashboard. For Savius, for example, you have your edit risk, and you put your daily loss, or daily profit. Whatever. That's how you put your profit and loss targets if you want to put them like that. Otherwise, simply drag and drop. Drag and drop from the chart. What about right now? No. Let me see if I can fix it. It's back, right? It's back, guys. I think it's back. It's back on track, just like the markets. They're back on printing. $162,000. Look at that one. This is the first cycle. And then the other 2 days are part of the second cycle. On Lucid, guys, Lucid Flex accounts are just incredible. With Volumetrica, I'm not using Bolsus. But with Volumetrica, you can do that. First cycle, second cycle, 5 days of trading, you take the pout, you run away with the money. You can chicken out with the money, right? We made in 2 days of the second cycle $7,800. We can chicken out right now, making the minimum. So they can blame. They can. You got no consistency. You have no target, and that is absolutely wild. Lucid Flex accounts are having no consistency, no target. They're still having their holidays price. You know, it's just wild, guys. 40% off. This is what happens when you trade no consistency, no target. Leave the winners run. You make unheard of amounts of money. $162,661. Testing out a little long here. Two minis. Not micros. 2 minis long. Adding one more. We're in 3 minis. I'm out. $284 profit. There you go, guys. There you go. Look at that one. $284 profit. There you go. We touched the target for this one. Celebration time. Come on. Clap your hands, guys. This is how you snipe. Boom. Boom, ladies and gentlemen. Lucid Flex printing big money. 284. Let's see how quickly they update for here. I guess here, this is the place it has to be. 284. Let me refresh the page. 284. Come on, Lucid. Update the dashboard. Update the dashboard. Here's 284. We got it for January. 284. Oh my gosh. So we got the target. We got the targets in YRM. We got the targets in the top 1 futures. We got the targets on the Lucid Flex. Let me see, guys. Let me see. Let's get to our target here as well. On another account, on this one. Boom, baby. But you certainly want to be part of the Discord. You can't miss that. There are still 100 people that are watching. Yeah. Welcome, welcome. Nice profit in the other accounts for sure. We got close to 163 on that account. Like this one. We're $50 short of being 163. You know what that means for my max loss? The minimum account balance is 150, 100. So that's basically $13,000 to max loss. Is that enough buffer? 13 grand. Meanwhile, we just make $250 a day and we take that money out day by day. These accounts are insane, guys. Yeah. The no consistency, no target Lucid Flex accounts are just insane. Yes, yes, yes. It's everything's through your eyes. Everything. That's a lovely move, guys. We're printing money. And we're gonna do the giveaways quite quickly today as well. So with YRM, prices have changed a little bit from 1st of January. As I said, as I mentioned in my post, as we talked about, prices have increased a little bit. Getting to payouts is too easy, especially for the instant funding account for the 150k. It's just insanely easy. Take the account, you have a $6,000 max loss. And you only have to do minimum $150 a day. We managed to climb above the red line, which actually has been stopped. I like to see how we can force here to break out above the supply. We have at 708. The pretty strong supply there. 708. Come on. Testing out along here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Happy New Year, buddy. Happy New Year out there. Thank you so much. All the best. Make sure to like the video, guys, especially that you've joined There's 200 people watching and 105 likes. We're not gonna do the giveaways this way. We will postpone the giveaways until we reach a proper number. We got no choice. Price action is sinking on me.
Order filled.
I'm getting angry. Welcome, Vortex. Have you seen the current prices, Vortex? The promotion has ended.
Order filled.
We're gonna get stopped out here, 1,000. That's where our stop loss is at 1,000. The first stop loss touched today. So we got basically 4 or 5 targets, 4 or 5 accounts traded to the target and 1 stop loss. It's good. You don't want to make it look perfect. But we strongly got rejected by that level. Didn't even touch it. Quite silly. The max loss is the original balance plus $100. Max loss for the YRM after you take a payout is original balance plus $100. Right, so 150 grand, $100.
Order filled. Order filled.
Re-grab the long here.
Order filled.
You remain with a $1,400 buffer on that one. We're choppy right between these levels. Not much happening for the moment. Waiting for the upside swing. If it comes, of course. If it comes.
Order filled. Order filled.
Might just never come and we could touch the stop loss. We're gonna get stopped out here. We have $1,000 max loss for the day. Daily loss limit set up globally. What a powerful extension. But there is an efficiency here.
Order filled.
Yes. $100. We got all the way back, guys, 682. Lovely price action. Grabbing a little entry here for the long. I'm happy to DCA and bring this one a little bit higher on the profit side. Because we have that 1,300 made. So it would be pretty good to have another day close to the highest. Let's go. We just touched a weekly VWAP. We swept the liquidity from there. And now it's time to range back in the game. That's why we DC it on this levels. Adding a little bit more here. We got some levels that are interesting right below 653, but they're quite deep. Another liquidity swept. And that's a lovely reaction. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on. Let's bring up those numbers. Six points needed here for my target. I'd like to get close to my max daily profit, like 1,300. Let's see if we trapped sufficient shorts here below 80s. We got 14 minutes to go for the US opening. I just blink and the target is hit. It has to release that liquidity as an inefficiency in that candle up to 683. Come on. Not a big deal. Not scared. I'd like to see how powerful are we. Oh, that's just another point needed here. Stop loss and break even. Target has been touched. There you go. Trading 101. 1,260. Getting close to the payout, guys. Getting close to the payout with another account. Boom. Look at that one. I told you today, we made $160 first. We look at his stats. I did my math. And I told you, we gotta do more. There you go. Look at an app P&L. We re-bring the discussion. We had our 1,344 day. And that's it. We made 1,260 today instead of stopping it at 170. This is the YRM on Volumetrica. This is not the flex. Day number 4. And here we've got day number 5. Ho 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 ho, look at that one. We don't have a red day. We have 15 trading sessions. Look at that. 15 sessions. Starting from here. None of it is red. $502. You know, this is the account we had to lose on 31st of December. You guys remember? We had $5,000 in unrealized profit. And I was fighting to lose and get back to the $500 mark. You guys remember? This is the account. 5 grand unrealized, which is not good. Had to lose more and make it nice for the payout on the consistency. $10 minutes to go and the market opens. Let's see, what do we get? If you buy the instant funded, it's 20% consistency. I have it on 20% because that's an instant funding account. If you reach to funded through challenge, it's 35. 35 on the funded from challenge and 50 during the challenge phase. Right, so 50 and 35. And the instant funded is 20%. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like the video. Come on. Otherwise, you cannot participate in the giveaway and join the Discord too. If you're not a member of the Discord at the starting time of the giveaways, you're not going to be rewarded. Right? So if you just join Discord after you claim the prize and so forth, it's not working. There's a few things to be respected in order to win an account. It's a free giveaway. They're set on neutral. Neutral, basically. We have multiple. We have the dynamic swing and short VWAP, and then we have the daily and weekly. I haven't touched them. Neutral, basically. Let me give you my exact. This one. This is the one I use. Here's the link from TradingView. Looks like it wants to get into that 650s level. Not bad. Not bad. I bet a 15-minute looks a little bit different here, guys. I bet a 15-minute looks a little bit different to you. The giveaway link is in our Discord in the chat as well. Let's go, guys. Come on. Bring it up. Bring it up. We don't have anything open. But that's a great profit we made here. We don't need to make more here. Come on. 15-minute looks good, guys. That VWAP level held. It's 3 minutes to be confirmed. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. We got two sufficient targets today. 3 minutes to go for the US opening. Yeah. Look at that wild price action. All the way back to 700s. This is looking beautiful, guys, for the 15 minute. Time to sit back and enjoy. Watch. Now the purple line is the 200 EMA. 200 EMA on the 5-minute purple line. This is the weekly VWAP here with green dots, and the other one with green dots down there is the daily. One minute to go, guys, and the market opens. Let me know what you guys think we do at the opening. Time to break that yellow line, 708 supply. Time to, you know, there is inefficiency in this candlestick. Do not dare to expect not to touch those prices today. 720s, 30s, like 40 points from here at a blink of an eye. Do not dare not to expect to touch that inefficiency on a Friday. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on, let's bring up those numbers. Less than a minute to go. 30 seconds on board. Let me know. We got the spiking above 710. Are we ready for that? 710. Keep it going. $15-minute has a good reaction there. If we would have been on the red, I was going for an easy continuation 640s. But this is a different thing right now. A little bit different. Let's see. There you go. You got the opening bell, guys. What's the initial reaction? The market is running. And Scrambo's on fire. Scrambo's on fire. Oh. I'm closing out here. We made enough there. But I'm leaving this one open. Let's see. Can we make more? Let's see, guys. Can we do something here? How do you guys enjoy that number? Tell me. Look at that. Scrambo's on fire. Prop firms getting terrified. We almost have 170 grand here. Let me sell something, right? Or do you think the next 1 minute candle is pushing also? I think it's pushing, guys. Come on. You know, we sold some of that. We sold some. We sold some. Ding, 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 ding. Print. 6 minis long from the opening. 695 on the entry. Keep running, guys. Come on. I'm selling something right there. I'm gonna sell something over there. It's not bad, guys. It's not bad. This is not too much profit here. I'll sell 2 more contracts because this is not looking good with that rejection. Because this Lucid Flex accounts that I'm trading right now here are not having consistency, buddy. No consistency here. You have no consistency on the funded stage for the Lucid Flex accounts. Look at that. 2,500 totally. 165 grand. Oh my gosh. Let me try to make more, right? So Yes, you can DCA 5 to 6 times in any trade, in any moment. Market's flexing its muscles. I'm getting a market order there. Let's see. You know, the max loss here is 2 grand and I'll keep 500 profit. Right? I don't want to lose more than 500 bucks profit to remain for today. I'll take that 500 bucks. Right, I just put my stop loss there. Come on, bring it up, guys. Four minis all the way back to the top. That's going to be a wild price section. Look at it here. This is the place you want to look at it, guys. We're printing, but this is the place you want to look at it. Look at that. We'd have touched the daily VWAP, the 200 EMA right there, and all those damn levels. Let's see if this level holds. Not really, probably. Let's see. Let's see if this level holds. I fully exited there because I think this is going a little bit lower. Might get into that 638. So I accepted a 500 bucks loss there. No. Interesting. Yep. It's not easy to trade this. What a reaction there. What a strong reaction. Stop loss and break even. Come on, press the pedal. Good morning, welcome everyone. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Appreciate it. Out. We accepted that profit. I'm back in a little long here. Let's see if we can cross that 710. We got a bunch of shorts trapped around 650s. 655, 657, 8, right there. A lot of the shorts got in. Putting a stop loss at the end of the wick right there. Enough is enough. Enough profit we've got here. Not touching this more. 514 net PNL. It's good. It's good and wild about the market, so not gonna risk a dime on this one. Got the other account, which has 3,200 today. Let me see what can I do here. Hello. Thank you, guys. We got a bunch of targets today, so not scared about. We got an interesting confluence on that 50, so might worth a shot. We got 2 or 3 payouts from Lucid. I made a video on that one. And we're quite close to more payouts. For example, this one has $163,000, 13 grand to the max loss, and we only need to do 250 a day as a target to take max payouts continuously. So we're very, very well positioned. This one has 8,500 as well. Very well positioned. Which is why I'm a little bit right now flexible on my sizing and numbers, and I'm putting together a little more risks out there for sure. We got 3 grand for today. We gotta still bring up the likes to the video before we start the giveaways. Come on, let's go, guys. We're still trading. Once I finish trading, we're gonna do the giveaways. We got 7 minis long here. We get to DC at this position. And let me see if we can take the price section back above 710. Morning, come on. Give me a nice long green candle above 690s. I'm gonna leave this open for 50 points. 8 minis. Come on, release the pressure. Release the pressure to the upside. Fill that up, come on. Stop loss and break even. It has to move right now, ladies and gentlemen. It has to move. It has to get above 710. And let me see if we can touch that 720s, because that's going to be $10,000 profit for me in this trade alone. Come on. Scrambos and fire. Prop firms getting terrified. No. No one cares about your aggressive DCA. They care about the money you've got in the account. Look at that. Scrambos and fire. Prop firms getting terrified. Come on, guys. The next 1 minute candle, same like this one. Because I'm not selling anything. I got break even. I'm sitting relaxed. Even if we get a 1 second candle all the way back to my trailing, you know I'm not going to be upset, right? Come on. Yeah. I gotta sell something here, guys. If this gets rejected, I'm selling something here. If this gets rejected in an ugly way, I'm selling something. Let's see. There's 20 seconds to go for this candle. I like to see. Because I'm smelling. I'm smelling the danger, and I'm usually exiting. Come on. I'm selling. I sold something. I sold something. I sold half of it. Half of it, I've sold it. And I'm leaving the rest open, guys. Leaving the rest open, sold half of it. Let's go. Yeah. I'm smelling it. We're pulling up soon. We're pulling Tesla up. Lucid Flex is producing 5 digits today. We're taking the account at a level unheard of. Look at that. Look at that. Come on. I want to get to 10 grand, guys. I'm selling something. I'm selling something here. And another contract, so I sold half of it again. But it's still going, not scared. I'd like to get to 10 grand if that's the case. I'm increasing my trailing right there. I might just take 9,000 here, profit today. I'm still holding it. Yeah, exactly. With that hair. Yeah. What's up? Look at that. Look at that net PNL. Look at that net PNL. Do you think that's a bug? And the target has been touched, guys. Should I short it here for another 1,000? Do we get to that 10 grand today here? $8,943. Celebration time, ladies and gentlemen. Come on. Scrambos and fire. Oh, look at that. Our target would have been touched. What a miserable market makers watching the live stream and pushing the price after we close. Boom. No worries. You know, we made it today's high. I'm shorting this. I'm testing a little short. A little short, guys. A little. Stop loss right there. in profit. Good. We made a new high today. 8,995. We need another short here. But this is not looking good for a short, isn't it, right? Not looking that good for a short, right? Nah, not looking that good for a short. Do I give back $1,000 or something like that? Not looking good for a short. Massive, massive green candle right there. I'll just get out soon, no worries. I'm not worried, guys. I'm not worried of this one. We got a lot made there. Let me see, what can I do? No consistency for the Lucid Flex. No consistency for the Lucid Flex. No payout target. No consistency. Come on. I'm smelling something here, and we could gain out of this short like a little dollar or 6 minute shorts with DC here. Come on. Pull it back below 55. Pull it back below 55. Come on. Pull it back below 55. Come on, guys. Nah. The buying pressure is there. Stop loss and break even. The target has been touched. $10,189. $10,000. Come on, this is the first day of trading of 2026. 10,189. Come on, Lucid Flex. Come on. You said no consistency. You said no target. You said no consistency and target. That's what you said? There you go. Then that's what you get. $10,000 in a day. Come on, are you guys ready for the giveaways? And then look the way it's running. 10 grand profit. That's the way to... Nah. Someone needs to kill them, guys. I can cash out 9,000. If this would be my prop firm, I can take out 9,000, yes. I can take out maximum to the cap. But I can actually take out... So if I only do $250 from here for the rest of my life, I take all the money till 150, 100. So I'll take 16 grand for the rest of the life from this account if I only do $250 per day. That's it. For the rest of the life. Of my life or the prop firm life. But this way my life might be a little longer if I do 10 grand days. And if you guys stop donating money to the prop firms and you get better at trading. Come on, guys. Often the payouts every 5 days. Every 5 days. Lovely. Lovely price section. Nothing to cry about. Thank you so much. That's the way we gotta do it. We had to do it today. It's the first day of trading for 2026. There is no way we would start it differently. There's no way I'm gonna let my community down, not giving motivation, inspiration. We can double up, right? Double or nothing. Double or nothing. Double or nothing. Going for the 20K? Certainly not. Certainly not, because this $10,000 is taking me away so much from the max loss. Then the 10 grand extra on top of it is no longer having a marginal value. Right? So the extra 10 grand is not having a sufficient marginal value compared to the risk of losing the current 10K made, which is taking me so far away from the max loss. Nah, that's the way I'm thinking. Good. Come on. What do we have to do? We got to do the giveaways. And we got to start giving those giveaways from 31st of January. We've been off yesterday, right? So I hope you did not expect it to receive the giveaways on the 1st of January. I'm gonna think about it. I'm gonna think about it. Come on. Not a bad idea, but certainly not a good one too. Let me think about what do we have to do. We gotta start organizing things around. We need the duck. We need a ducks. What else do we need? We need a wheel, right? Alright guys, so how to get started? Well, obviously it's giveaway time. How to join could be one of your questions. Could be. I'm not saying it has to be. So, you gotta like the video. Like the video. We have 176 likes. Let's pull this one close to 200. We made an insane amount of money. Be subscribed to my YouTube channel. It's Happy Friday time and first day of trading for 2026. And join my Discord. I've made way more than expected. Way more than I wanted today. So I need a few days of drawing back on my balance. Monday, Tuesday, giving something back. You know, they used to say it's not bad giving back, right? You always got to give back. Feels great giving back. We'll see if that's what we have. We'll see if that's the way it feels if we give back from this account something to the markets. I hope so. I hope so not. So, where are we? First giveaway will be a 25K SimPro Top 1 Futures account, instant funded. Ladies and gentlemen, you gotta listen to the ratios because we're gonna be wild on the numbers. So we're gonna have 5 zeros, 2 number 2, 3 number 3, and that's it. You can start right now. 5 zeros, 2 number 2, 3 number 3. Best of luck, everyone. Come on. $10 grand. Stop right there, no more guesses. It's over. It's over. Stop right there, no more guesses. We're gonna shuffle this way. Best of luck, everyone. $25,000 SimPro account for the Top 1 Futures. Do not spam. Five zeros, 2 number 2, and 3 number 3. Is not gonna be number 2. What about that number 3 coming out on green? Do we stop there? Is the paddle working nicely for 2026? I guess so. The paddle is functioning, guys. The paddle is here, delivering you the numbers. Congratulations for the winners. We got you on the number 3. Hey, look at that one. How on earth? How on earth? Let's see the names. If you guys were loyal to the number 3, come on. It's solid. It's really solid. 62 winners. Look at that one. I guess you guys bought a same paddle for Christmas. We got 62 winners. That's a lot. Competing for a minute. Shuffle them once and leave them swimming around. Come on. Come on, ducky. Digital nukes. Speeding up, but then getting stubbed out soon. There you go. Look at the Oliver at the top. Maddie, what's wrong with you right now being at the top? Come on. It got overfed. Come on. You gotta be last. For example, this one's... There you go. Someone... Antares? Who's coming up? Who's coming up? With a green duck. Zabala. We got you, Zabala. Hey, congratulations. And look at the top ranking right there. So let's see if we have this person. Zabala. If the person completed a form. We got 210 people signing up today. It's not a lot. Usually we had 240, 230, 260. Right? So we're gonna zoom in and see if Zabala is here. Yeah. Congratulations, Zabala. There you go. You got this one confirmed. $25,000. Top 1 futures. Simpro account goes out to you. Let's see what we got out there for the second wheel. You know what? The second giveaway is going to be a 50k Lucid Pro. 50k Lucid Pro. But listen up for the numbers, because this is going to be pretty wild. We're going to do 5 zeros. 1 number 3. 1 number 2. And 5 number 7. And you can start right now. Best of luck. You can start right there. Come on. Second giveaway is going to be 50k Lucid Pro. 5 zeros. 1 number 3, 1 number 2, and 5 number 7. I'd like to see if you're still loyal to your number 3 numbers there. Come on. We're gonna shuffle them soon. Right before the wheels start spinning around. 760s on the Nasdaq. Do we get... Here's the question, guys. In the meantime, I'm going to ask you. We get 30,000 for the Nasdaq in 2026. If 30,000 is for the Nasdaq for 2026, then 200 grand is for the BTC and $12,000 for the Ethereum. A single guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. We're stopping it right there. No more guesses. Beautiful. Let me see how can I shuffle them this way. Pretty mixed up, right? Pretty mixed up. We're good to go. Come on, best of luck, everyone. Stephanie, a single guess per person. This is the second giveaway. We're going to have one more coming up. Could be that 0 on blue, or it's the number 7 on red. No, that's the 7 on red, guys. The pedal is not working for the 0. I think that's going to be the number 7 because of the pedal, guys. Look at that one. The pedal is heading, still speeding up. And here we have it. Now I can break. There you go. We got this. We can chill out. 7. Congratulations for the winners. Number 7. It's just your first guess is going to be counted, not your other guesses. Number 7 out there for the winners. I think we're going to have... If there's going to be more than 100, 66. $66 competing for a minute. Shuffle. Best of luck, everyone. Come on. You gotta guess the number. That's the way it works. And then you gotta win the duck race. Do not underestimate. It's really sharp. How do I know you only said once? We got a system that is collecting all your comments automatically and only accepting your first comment. We have we have a script. 5 seconds to go. Come on, guys. Stephanie. Look at that one, Stephanie. I think you also won last week, Stephanie. Hey, look at that one. Did you sign up for the form? Or did you forget about it? Are you here? Yes. You also won last week. Congratulations. Great job. Look at that one. It's confirmed. $50,000 Lucid Pro account. Congratulations for the winners. Moving to the third giveaway and the last for today. And I am planning to put in a little more. You must buy a lottery ticket, exactly. So third giveaway will be IRM 50K. YRM 50K. Third giveaway. Let me think about, guys. Listen up. We're gonna give 5 zeros. 5 number 7. And a single number 1. And that's it. You can start right now. 5 zeros, 5 number 7, and a single number 1. That's the way we organize this. Those are the ratios. Keep going. Come on. You got no consistency. You got no... Who's going for the number 1? 12 AC. What's happening? Why are you going for that number 1? Who's going, guys, for the number 1? Look at that. There's a lot. You know there's going to be more than 20, maybe 30. I think the competition for the number 1 is bigger than for the 0. I'm telling you. I think you got a bigger competition for the number 1, honestly. $10 grand made on that Lucid. Ho 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 ho. Alright guys, so we're gonna stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. No more guesses. It's over. And I'm gonna shuffle them till number 1 is gonna sit on a green. Here, we got you with the number 1 on the green, guys. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck, guys. Come on. If your message came in after my stop command, you're not going to be listed for sure. That's quite risky for the number 1, guys, but I don't think it's going to be. We just touched that 0 right before. I don't think we stop here on the yellow, on the red. Number 7, no. I think the paddle is still pushing through. There you go, but that was pretty close to the number 1, to be honest with you. We've got you on the 0. Yeah, that's the way, the magnet. You know, we've got magnets, like at the roulette. You know the roulette has magnets, right? Congratulations. With a 0. If we have more than 100, guys. 96. 96. That was pretty close, guys. Pretty close. 96. So there is going to be a single winner out here. Competing for, let's put it 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I do want to see you fighting for this one. No shuffle. Just straight swimming. Come on. Best of luck, everyone. That's going to be a 50k account from the YRM. Big time celebration. Fight. Fight. Jamal is leading the way. But there's a lot to go here. Nasdaq sitting on 700s. Not much enthusiasm with that. We could have shorted with 10 minis. And made 20 grand. But that was no choice for sure. Come on. It is for sure your name is there. If you guessed right, if it was your first guess, if you guessed between the comments, start and end, so if you guess between those, your name is, look at that, the trading syndicate is right there on the left side. Syndicate, you can see it's going back right now. I can see your name. Right, so you gotta understand that what you see is about 60-70% of the ducks, meanwhile 30-40% of the ducks are way behind. Not on the screen. Come on. Alex is swimming with a Trump's costume. Look at the trades by now on a purple way. You might get the wrong direction swimming. You might swim the other way. You want to turn on the key, reverse it, and throw that one. Look at that one. Let's go. 10 seconds. Who's going to get stopped out right now? Who's going to get stopped out? Look at that one. And we've got Dona. We've got Dona speeding up again. I heard about Dona many times. We've got Dona, Tracy Will, the second, and Tony. But let's see if Dona sign up. Did you sign up, Dona? Yes, you are fully confirmed. There you go. Congratulations, Dona. There you go. Congratulations, 50k YRM accounts. Not bad, Mr. Nyfort. Out of 96 to be 5th. You gotta cheer today. Thank you so much, guys. What a lovely day. Congratulations for the winners and congratulations for this price action. This is what happens when Scramble is not trading. This is what happens. Yeah, we had a lovely day, guys. We had an amazing day out there. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah, we printed today a lot. I don't have videos about my strategy because I'm speaking about them on my stream. So you want to watch my live stream? You want to join our daily live stream? Be part of the community. And on the long run, you guys will learn as we advance, progress, and we become much better. Thank you so much, guys, for being with me. Thank you once again. Have a lovely start of the year. Once again, Happy New Year. And I see you Monday. I see you Monday. Winners, give me a bit of a time to send you the accounts. And looking forward to it. Have a lovely day, guys. A lovely weekend. We talk to you soon.